As adults, we often find ourselves with a busy life. And while we may not go through it alone, we don't always feel the support of those around us. Whether it's the workplace, our children's activities and sports, or other social circles, we don't always feel like others genuinely have our best interest at heart. Maybe it's because only one person can get the promotion. Not every kid can be the star athlete, and don't get me started on the petty jealousy that thrives in social circles and on social media. Maybe it's our competitive nature. Maybe it's because we feel compelled to compare ourselves with others. Unfortunately, this is far too common, but it's toxic thinking. The success and growth of one person does not come at the expense of another. We live in an incredibly abundant world. Just because one person makes more money, it doesn't come at the expense of another. It simply means there's more money in circulation. When is the last time you were plugged into a community that genuinely wanted to see others succeed? I'm talking about a close-knit community that pulls together to rally around someone who's struggling. When we pull together as a community, everyone can learn and benefit from the journey of others. Maybe you feel like your situation is different, but I can assure you there's someone in our community that has a similar situation. Feel like you've tried everything but nothing works? Welcome to the club. Cancer survivors? They're here. Single parent with kids? Yep. Or maybe a busy professional with a really hectic schedule. That's our sweet spot. If you want to make a change with your health and fitness, one of the best decisions you can make is to surround yourself with other people on a similar journey. Who said you need to have all the answers yourself? If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, let's go together. That's the power of community. Join a community that wants you to become the best version of yourself. No Limits Fitness.